Happy birthday, Queenie!
Hi, Queenie! Lola, Auntie. Lola Aunt Marila to. Wishing you all the best. Always pray. Online lagi sa Panginoon. Study hard. At alam ko maging very, very successful ka. Always be kind, ha? To others. Pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. Happy birthday. Your Tita Jessa.
Hi, Queenie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank the Lord for all the blessings you receive. And keep dreaming, okay?
Okay, Tita Kimi naman to. Happy birthday ulit, Queenie. Sana maramdaman mo lahat ng ng pagmamahal ng iyong mga kapwa na paligid sa iyo. Kaming mga Barilya, kahit na malayo kami, iisip ka namin at mahal na mahal ka rin namin. At be thankful, sabi nga rin niya yung Tita Jacel, sa lahat ng mga biyayang natanggap mo sa buhay. At keep dreaming at lagi mong i-motivate yung sarili mo na makamit mo lahat ng goals mo. Ayun na, sige. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Enjoy your day, your big day. And God bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Queenie! God bless, anak!
Happy birthday, Queenie! I hope you have a great day today. And sana for your birthday, may you have more blessings to come. More adventures to come, especially it's your 18th birthday. Keep safe always. I wish na makasali sana ako dyan sa inyo, but unfortunately, I'm out of the country at the moment. Pero ayun, stay safe and stay happy always.
Hi! Happy birthday, Queenie! Happy birthday on your debut. And now you're 18 years old. So this marks your transition into young adulthood. Means from teeny bopper, now you're a young lady. And if you're now a young lady, it means you have more responsibilities. Okay? I wanted to send my warmest wishes and greetings to you. So, fortunately, I'm not able to attend your debut because, as you may know, I experienced a mild stroke last November 27, and I'm still on the road to recovery. And though I am making progress each day and gaining strength, my doctors have advised me to limit my activities while I continue to heal. I truly wish you are blessed with all the happiness, joy, and prosperity in life. Well, the journey ahead will be filled with challenges and opportunities. But with your determination and the values your family has instilled in you, I have no doubt you will embrace life with grace and purpose. May God continue to bless you with wisdom, health, and abundance in the years ahead. I look forward to celebrating with you when I'm fully recovered. Queenie, enjoy every moment of your special day, surrounded by family, relatives, and friends. You deserve all the joy and love that comes your way. With much love and blessings, this is your Lola Aldrin. Happy birthday and God bless.
Good evening, everyone. This is Grandma Mildred, Canada. To my dearest, beautiful, and intelligent Apo, the Queen Miles, or Queenie for short. Happy, happy birthday, Apo, and more birthdays to come. I love you today, tomorrow, and forever. As you celebrate another milestone in your life, here's to you on your 18th birthday. Always remember that you are loved and adored beyond measure. It seems like just yesterday you were a tiny little girl. Very cute though, and now look at you, an incredible young woman who has become so stunning. You have come so far and have so much left to see and do. I will be rooting for you every step of the way. Happiness is something which I cannot describe in words. Happiness can only be felt from someone's expression of a smile. Although I'm miles and miles away, I'm over the moon right now, and I'm smiling while delivering this message. When you were a little girl, I remember fully when I would come home for vacation, you would come to me happily and would say, "Gamma, gamma, wala na kaming pela." Bulul ka pa nun, ang tawa ko. Ano yan, turo ng daddy mo, no? Very funny, but I loved it. Very cute ka, very adorable. While you were growing up, I could already see your intelligence. When I would see and hear you talking to your toys, arranging them in different places, I said to myself, ang galing naman ng apo ko. True, up to now. You always show me your honor certificates, 92% plus averages, both in 2 semesters. I am very, very pleased, Lord, for having a very smart apo. Varilla genes yata yan. Behind you, all your memories. Before you, all your dreams. Around you, all who love you. Within you, all you need. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Believe in yourself. Everything is possible. Trust in the Lord's mercy, love, and compassion. Super proud of you. And I'll always support you with God's blessings for my good health. Your dad and I will always be on your side no matter what. Love and pray for your dad's good health and long life always. He is your best ally. Thank you, my dear son, for Queenie in my life. I reiterate my warmest wish to you, my dearest apo, a birthday filled with laughter, love, and all the things that bring you happiness. Enjoy your special day, surrounded by the love and warmth of your doting grandpas, grandmas, titas, titos, classmates, and friends. I may not be physically present, but I am there with you. I miss you, apo. My heartfelt gratitude to my siblings and their families, relatives, friends, and all who made Queenie's birthday possible. A special mention to Philip, Diane, Olive, Joe, Marilla, Lorna, Dasley, and others I forgot to mention. Please accept my apologies, and at the same time, please accept my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. My dearest son Lester, thank you very much. Queenie, my dearest apo, I may have silver on my hair, but you are the gold in my heart. You are very precious to me, my sweet girl. I will love you forever. With all my love and prayers, Grandma.